More than half of today's conference rooms are small meeting rooms and huddle spaces, but too often they're the hardest to deploy and the slowest to standardize. That's why FORTÉ created Velocity, meeting room solutions that support express install for Microsoft Teams rooms, built with speed and simplicity in mind. Each Velocity solution designed for express install for Microsoft Teams rooms includes a commercial stand, video display, professional video soundbar, and touch panel, fully certified, installed, and supported by the leader in communication and collaboration solutions, FORTÉ. All that's needed upon setup is power and network access. No wall mounting required, no construction delays. Just a professional meeting room solution that deploys fast, flexes easily, and minimizes disruption. And when needed, wall-mounted options are also available. Velocity solutions are available for huddle, small, and medium rooms, and each solution arrives ready for deployment with zero guesswork and no delays. It's how you standardize faster, reduce complexity, and scale collaboration, all while eliminating the friction that's so common with traditional custom design solutions. Velocity by FORTÉ. Designed for IT, built to scale.